Hi, Trailblazers, and welcome to the Declarative Academy, TDA. I'm excited you're joining us today as we dive into another essential Salesforce tutorial designed to help you maintain your administrator certification for Spring 24. In today's session, you'll learn how to add fields from related objects onto dynamic forms-enabled pages, complete a practical hands-on challenge to reinforce your skills. So, grab a cuppa, get comfy, and let's get started. Dynamic forms have revolutionized how we present data to users, giving admins more control and flexibility. Now, let's explore how you can enhance your Lightning pages by including fields from related objects. Dynamic forms allows you to drill into related object fields directly within the Lightning app builder. For example, if you're customizing a contact record page, you can easily display fields from the related account record. This feature is available across various Salesforce editions, including Group, Professional, and Enterprise. Let's walk through how it works. First, open your record page in the Lightning app builder. Navigate to the Fields palette. Notice the breadcrumb at the top, indicating the primary object. Cross-object relationship fields are marked with an arrow icon. Click the arrow to drill further into related objects. For instance, selecting the account object from a contact page. Choose your desired related fields and simply drag them onto your page layout. Remember, you can drill down 2 levels into related objects, but note that polymorphic relationship fields are currently not supported. In the upcoming hands-on challenge, you'll create a custom contact Lightning record page, upgrade it with dynamic forms, and add a field from a related account object. Launch your hands-on org or select an existing playground. Navigate to Setup and open the Lightning app builder. Click New, select Record Page, and click Next. Label this new page Contact Record Page. Set the API name as Contact Record Page. Select the Salesforce default page template and then click Finish. In the Lightning app builder, select the existing record detail component on the canvas and upgrade it to dynamic forms by clicking Upgrade Now. Choose Contact Layout as the source for your dynamic form. Once upgraded, navigate to the Fields palette, expand the related account object, and drag the field Annual Revenue onto the layout. Place this directly beneath the lead source field. Save your layout changes. Click Activation to set this new Contact Lightning record page as the org default, and then save your activation settings. Congrats! Your dynamic contact record page now includes fields from related objects, enhancing your user's experience significantly. Let's quickly recap today's key learnings. You now know how to utilize related object fields within dynamic forms. You've successfully completed a practical exercise, embedding these skills firmly into your admin toolkit. Did you find today's tutorial helpful? Show your support by liking this video, subscribing to TDA for more Salesforce tips, and sharing your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, Trailblazers, and until next time, keep innovating and keep blazing your trail.